Struggling to find your Pipedrive API key? You're not alone. It's hidden in a spot that's not super obvious, and digging through those settings menus can waste a ton of time. I'll show you exactly where it is in under 2 minutes. Just follow these simple steps. Open Pipedrive, head to your profile, and grab the key from the API tab. That's it. Let me walk you through it right now. So first things first, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account. Go ahead and open it up in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look all the way up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It's probably a little circle with your initials or a photo. Give that a click. Now, a drop-down menu will pop up. From that list, you want to select Personal Preferences. This is where you tweak all your personal account settings, not the company-wide ones. So click that, and then just give the page a second to load. It usually loads pretty fast, but depending on your connection, it might take a moment. Once the Personal Preferences page is fully loaded, look across the top for a row of tabs. You'll see things like General, Notifications, and the one we need, which is API. Click on the API tab. Now, wait just a moment for that API page to appear. And here's the really important part. This is what you came for. Right there on that page, you're going to see a section labeled Your Personal API Token. It's your unique key, a long string of letters and numbers that connects outside apps to your Pipedrive data. Take a look at it. It should already be generated for you. But if it's blank or it says something about needing to create one, just look for a button that says Generate and give it a click. In my experience, it's almost always already there, waiting for you. All right, so now that you've located it, you need to grab it. There's a small copy button right next to the token. Click that. That copies the entire key to your clipboard in one go. No need to try and highlight it or type it out yourself, which is great because those things are way too long to mess with manually. And here's the step I really want you to pay attention to. Store that API token somewhere secure. I mean, really secure. This key is like a master password for your Pipedrive account. Anyone who has it can read and change your data through an app. So do not paste it into an email or a chat message. I like to save mine in a password manager. If you don't use one, a secure notes app with a lock on it works too. So now you have the key. How do you actually use it? Well, whenever you're setting up an integration, whether it's for automation tools like Zapier or a custom dashboard or even a third-party reporting app, you'll be asked for your API key. Just paste that copied token right into the API key field. And that's it. The connection should be live. You can now access and copy your Pipedrive API key for integrations, automations, and third-party applications. No more hunting through menus. You found it, you saved it, and you're ready to connect your tools. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one.